What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is early morning. It is like 7:30. We gotta fill up the car and we're gonna head to Santa Monica for a Cars and Coffee hosted by like the meet. So we're gonna see what's up, see if it's popping or not, get some coffee out there, see what the vibe is about. Got the new thing, of course. Forgot to put gas and open my pump. But bro, it is windy today. It is cold, bro. But you guys already know, E50 mix. You know what we gotta do. Car is a little clean, still dusty though. I mean, it's gonna get way more dustier today because of the wind. But right now she's clean. She's looking good. Not bad. But yeah. It is windy. God damn. My voice cracked. But I mean, we parked here. Not many people are here yet, but we'll see if people pull up or not. I literally don't know what to expect from this meet. I just seen the meet posted and I was like, you know what, let's pull up because it's out here in Santa Monica. There was some dope cars right there parked at the coffee shop, but there was just no more parking spots. That's why we had to come park over here. But we're gonna go over there right now, see what's up, see if it's popping, see if the coffee good or anything like that, and then yeah. So this is where the coffee shop is right here, but this is where like they're all parked right now. Some nice whips. We'll get a closer look right now. Damn, bro, this thing is gorgeous. Holy shit. It is windy as fuck though, man. Yeah, that thing is gangsta. Then we got a M3, two M3s back to back in the same color with the same interior actually. This guy just has the bucket seats and that one has the regular stock orange seats. But this is gangsta, bro. That is beautiful. Now we got this right here. We got this Lotus. Very nice, bro, on the BBS's. This S15 and Chaser, bro. These things are so clean. This thing's parking. These Acuras are so clean. The Hondizis. The Acurizis. Yeah, these are clean, bro. This orange one is really nice, too. This thing is gangsta. This paint is busting. Paint is busting. Not even gonna lie. Wheels. Yeah, this thing is beautiful, bro. It's mint. I want me a Honda. These are here. I need me a Honda again. A Honda would be a dope project build again. I used to have a Honda. It wasn't like these, like this. It was this model like this, but when I bought it, it was already cleaned and fixed up. Like it was one like this, but not hatchback. It was literally black though, but I just didn't build it. It was already like built. Shout out to his Cars and Coffees, but the coffee, honestly, this one ain't it, bro. I'm sorry, it just ain't it. I tried it and it was not good. Okay, you don't have to drink that, you know? You could just throw it. Got M340i, F80, another M340i in that Dravic gray. But yeah, small little meet, nice and dope. And then there's more, I think, a couple cars up there. I don't know if they went up there. But this one right here, this S15 is so nice next to the R33. Next to the Mimi. We got the Mimi right here. This is fire. This is clean. Next to the R33 with the black Advance. This is clean, bro. This is clean. I just want one. Can I have one, please? These things are fire. So clean. And check out the Mimi. We got the Mimi. This thing is sick, bro. Look at the wheels. Aero disc shoes, man. This is so cool. Nice little cute car. The Chaser, Hondizi. They're going to the parking lot over there. But yeah, you don't have to drink that. I told you. And then look what we find over here. A front straight bar, a front strut brace bar. That's it. Whole gas. I believe this is the gas tank, bro. I believe, because that shit is huge. It has his gloves here, so when he's ready to race, take off on y'all. And then you got a roll cage in the back. This thing is sick. I need me a Porsche in my life, guys. I want one. So we're gonna make our way back to the parking structure because they're about to all roll in right now. So it'll be dope to be up there and just catch them all rolling in. But very small though, nothing crazy. As I expected. Usually when everything's like kind of far, people don't really want to pull up because it's just a drive. But I get it. I'm the same damn way. To make this clear before that last clip, I am not shitting on the coffee here. It's just not good. It's not good for me at least. And the boo thing just didn't like it. Look at this white Porsche, bro. This thing is beautiful, bro. They're letting them in. Hey, a Supra. I'm not the only one no more. Wow, guys, look, it's my old M340i. Not just kidding, it's not my old one, but look like it though. We got the F80 and then the Dravic Gray M340i. Very nice. And I heard a big single turbo Supra coming in, so I don't know if he's coming in this way or somebody just left. I don't know, bro. I heard a big single turbo and I was like, dang. We got the Boot Pro, we got the Evo right there though. Bro, fitment looks so good, but I am rubbing too damn much on this side, bro. I was rubbing all the way over here. Look at this, man. Oh my god, bro. Too much. It's way too much. Look, all this right here, I can feel it. Dang. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right here, bro. Yeah, you can see it right here. There's so many scratches right here. Like if somebody came by with their keys and like just dragged it. Like it's so bad, I hate it. Like the little shit that I find, bro, pisses me off. Probably to a normal eye, nobody would have seen this shit, but like to me, I see everything. Little rock, like chip paint right here too. I'm about to show you all the flaws on this bitch. Right here, right here. Fitment looks good over here, but it's not as low as that side. That's for damn sure. That's why it doesn't rub on this side. And I feel like this side might be a little higher too. And over here we got a Honda Top Off. Right next to it we got a GTR R35 in a crazy color. I like. Finding Nick, where you at? Then we got the S2000, super clean. Me like. Then we got a GR86. This I like. The yellow and white. It just look good, bro. This color is crazy. Then the carbon fenders, nice. The bright seats, I see them with the roll cage. Then he got the big selfie stick, bro. He's bold, bro, because anybody could just take that. Like me right now. Nah, I'm just kidding. Holy shit, there's a pool going on. They're swimming. Cheers. Very nice. Yeah, look at these fools. They need to chill. I think they're all starting to come over here now. We got the cars coming out. We're on the top, and they're about to exit from right here. While I was about to see this. The Datsun S15, Porsche, RX-7, two RX-7s. Very nice. That Porsche though, bro. That Porsche. It's the Porsche for me, guys. I'll take that one over everything here. That's just me being 1,000. Did you come back around or is this a different S15? Yeah, it's a different one. So what the hell? Oh, it's clean. Chaser. Ooh, that Chaser on the Mac Blue TEs. No, that's fire. That's clean. And then we got the Meep Meep. That was me yesterday, guys. Bro, I want a Chaser, bro, just to drift this. I think it'd be sick to learn how to drift in a Chaser. Sick. The R33. Ooh. That's clean. The Hondeezy. The hatchbacks. Those are nice, bro. The hatchbacks, I actually like them. We got the G80. G80 with the orange interior. Doesn't have the carbon bucket seats, but it has the bucket seats. And then we got his twin right here with the actual orange carbon bucket seats. Literally twins, bro. They both got the same car, same color, just different seats and different wheels. He has no duck bill. He has a duck bill. Just a little bit difference. A little bit. Just kidding, guys. I thought he had the carbon bucket seats, but he doesn't. They both don't have the carbon bucket seats, and I really thought they did, but no. We got the Subarus, Yeah, that's the boy we just met. I guess we're all moving over there now, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move the Supra over there so we can take some flicks with them. Guys, we is finally out of here. A lot of people dipped, as you guys can see. I didn't really record around here because you guys seen those cars. They were just the cars that were already at the donut shop. But we're just getting up out of here now. I think me and the booth are about to go eat, but go back to the valley. But look at this Porsche, bro. Woo-wee. I need that in my life. And these are the homies right here. Catch y'all later. sick ass vatos. Clean ass Hondas, bro. Hondas are so clean. But yeah, we're getting up out of here now. I just got home and this is my OEM hood, and they just told me because I had it against the wall over there, they said that the wind knocked it down and apparently got really fucked up. On the top? Oh yeah, god damn. Damn, right here too. Oh yeah, bent in from that side. Look at that shit. The scratches on the bottom over here too. And right here. Oh damn, the front too, right here. All this shit. Shit. Been a couple days, guys. Been a couple days, but I wanted to record this because if you guys seen, like, damn, I don't even know what video it was, honestly. CNC Productions. This guy's based out in Australia, but he makes center caps for the Workmeister wheels. It is hard finding center caps for these wheels for the Supra. He sent me one before I got these, and they were just way too big. I told him, yo, I need them to be smaller, so he sent me 2 different sizes to test out to see which one will probably fit better. This is a 65 mil, and this is a 60 mil. So 65, 60. You can tell the difference. Obviously, a little bigger, smaller. But we're gonna see if these fit. If not, I'm gonna cry. So we're gonna go with the 60 mil first.
Dun, dun, dun.
65, I believe. Oh, kinda. So it doesn't fit. But the other scene, it's like almost going in, but it doesn't fit. This was a 65. Sorry. This is a 60. So let's see. Too small.
They both don't fit?
Let me see this one, bro. Oh, I think maybe this one. Maybe? Let's see. I don't know why. You guys just saw this one is way too small. Look at that. This goes right into the center hub. Oh, you know. Am I not putting this one in right, or like, you know, maybe am I gonna break it? That's what I'm scared. Bro, I don't think that's I don't think they fit, bruh. I'm heartbroken right now, guys. I think I got it. I actually think I got it. Oh, so I did. So the 65s do fit. So they do fit.
Wow.
Yay. I thought they were gonna fit. So they work, guys. Holy shit. What do you guys think? Obviously it's backwards because the Workmeister sticker is backwards and you know, you just saw. They fit, and that is the good news. So huge shout out to CNC Productions. They have, I'm gonna show you guys CNC Productions. I will leave a link to his Instagram in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. Who needs center caps, hit up my boy. He got you guys. Like, they fit good, and you guys just saw. I thought they didn't fit, but they fit. Now he's got to install them on all around wheels, and then we should be good to go. But huge shout out to CNC Productions, bro. I appreciate you. If you're watching this video, I appreciate you. You guys have seen. Very easy install. Just gotta give it a little pressure, you know what I'm saying? Does it look good or no?
Yes.
Well, that completes the install of the center caps. And again, shout out to CNC Productions. I thought they didn't fit. It fooled me at first, but they fit. So if anybody needs some 60 millimeters for some Workmeister wheels, center caps, you can hit up CNC Productions. Or you can hit me up because I actually have a pair. So these are 60 millimeters, yeah. And then I actually have a pair of 70 millimeters because those were the first ones he sent me. They were too big. So yeah, they look sick. Obviously the wheels are dirty. My car is dirty. It needs a wash. And I wish I could give you a sick, dope montage of it right now, but probably a little later if we take it out or not, because as you can see, I am blocked in. It doesn't look like I'll be able to get out anytime soon, so.
We done a little photo shoot. The sky is gorgeous. And so is he. It's like, I don't know, the sky's not focusing. I'm walking here. Yep. Yeah, I like it. Cato.
See that? Do you guys see that?
No, it doesn't really focus.
What do
Oh,
you
now
mean?
it does. No,
What
not
do you
really.
mean, dude? What do you mean?
Behind the scenes of the photo shoot.
I know what mode this is. But that's crazy.
You're lucky nobody's turning this way. Man.
Get that video. Look, the cinematic. Oh shit, this is the 4K. Y'all, we got back up more. Alright, right here.
That's sick. It looks fantastic.